Hello guys, thanks for joining me on another edition of Sparkstar ICO review. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the Crypto Hunter. So I'm going to continue the Sparkstar ICO review with you guys like I did in the first edition. This is the second edition and the continuation of what we started. So, however, please know that I'm not your financial advisor. This is just my own personal opinion. The market is still very volatile and you might need to do your own personal research before investing in any cryptocurrency project, and please make sure to invest an amount in which you are ready to lose. So let's get back to the benefits or how the platform of Sparkstar is constructed. As you can see here, it says 100 times faster and cheaper than traditional software development. That is one of the benefits or the advantage of using Sparkstar. That is, number one, disrupting the cloud. Sparkstar innovative cloud will disrupt the $200 billion cloud computing industry and prohibitive prices set by centralized cloud providers like AWS R, Microsoft R, Google R, and IBM R. So with Sparkstar, you can easily get your cloud computing done faster, 100 times faster, and it gets to prohibit prices like other cloud providers, just like you mentioned here, Microsoft, Google, and the rest. So also, he said, sell ideas, not effort. Ideas are ideas are ubiquitous. They are not the privilege of the few, but rather the prerogative of everybody. In our everyday lives, we can all see better and more efficient ways of doing things. The Sparkstar Marketplace empowers you to sell these ideas, find patrons and fans to help bring about the change you seek, create sustainability through paying customers. The Sparkstar platform presents a path to liberation and a path to financial independence. So basically, Sparkstar wants you to sell your idea and not the effort behind it. They bring about creating sustainability to you guys. You can easily sustain yourself with your idea and not bringing effort into it. Then another one here is the simple, intuitive platform. You have great ideas, you have the tools to bring them to reality. Drag and drop your ideas into full-blown software in just seconds without having to learn anything. Removing this barrier to entry, Sparkstar fuels ambition by unlocking your potential. So basically, the platform is an easy one and not something you need to actually learn before using. I would say is user friendly. So what you just have to do is have your great ideas, and Sparkstar has the tools to make them come to reality. Like they said earlier, they turn your ideas into reality. So you have the great idea. Sparkstar has the tool to make them come into reality. Then just drag your idea into their own platform and make it a blown one in the software. Also, we are ready to go. Are you? The Sparkstar platform is a finished product. Let's get started putting it to good use today. Click here to get started. We are empowering people like you to build the future. Our mission is one of the inclusion, collaboration, and progress, and to make sure no one gets left behind. So basically, that's what Sparkstar is also trying to do. They want to make everybody go along. They want to carry everybody along. They don't want anybody left behind. So if you want to build the software with no code now, you can actually give it a try with this link. No sign up required, as you can see here. Just give it a try with this link. Although I will have done that, but that would take much of our time, and I don't want this video to be too long, so guys can understand what I'm trying to talk about Spark ICO. So let's get moving. The Sparkstar decentralized cloud, inspired by Human Cell Division. That is, decentralized cloud are the future, giving unavoidable overhead such as physical server cost, backup power, maintenance staff, physical security, cooling, etc. Traditional cloud providers such as Amazon, Microsoft, and Google will find it difficult to compete with the advance of decentralized cloud computing. So let me quickly explain this. If you notice, all these other cloud computing providers, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google, and the rest, they make use of centralized cloud. But here now we are talking about the decentralized cloud, which is the future, and that is why Sparkstar is here to give us the future. Also, executing small software components on mobile devices as comparatively near zero cost. And hence, as more of these miners join the Sparkstar decentralized cloud, the cheaper it becomes. The future of cloud computing is certainly decentralized. As Sparkstar is building the world's fastest decentralized cloud, able to execute tens of millions of transactions per second. So basically, Sparkstar is they are building up a decentralized cloud which becomes cheaper and friendly, or how will I say it? Like, it becomes cheaper and user friendly at the same time, and you can and this platform is able to execute tens of millions of transactions per second, which I obviously know that's what most of us are really interested in. Then why are we the blockchain for mass adoption? This is the reason the high throughput, that is, networks of tomorrow scale linearly as participants grow without any limitations. The Sparkstar decentralized cloud has already proven that it can scale nearly without any overhead, containing its metric performance inherent in its design in isolation between cells, casting off the shackles and inhibits almost all other blockchains. Isolation leads to parallelism and concurrency, but without any performance inhibiting overhead. Also, we have the privacy. You can read more on the privacy here. You can also read more about the security, the multi-chain interoperability, and the architectural transparency. So I'll give you guys basically. Let me talk about the security, which is most important in everyday life transaction that we make. So the security now, the software of the future not only detects intrusion, it prevents it too. The Sparkstar decentralized mining app detects tampering such as code injection, thread hijacking, memory tampering, etc. Once detected, all clients is immediately deleted from memory, along with access key to the Sparkstar network. That's what taking security seriously looks like. So you shouldn't be worried about your security on the Sparkstar platform. The security, which I know is very important, has been taken care of, and the maintenance also by the Sparkstar team. Let's get to the big idea. In one word, isolation inspired by human cell division. Once a cell is created, it no longer shares anything with any other cell. Blockchains that can operate this way can eliminate communication overhead, paralyzing transactions that result in linear increases in throughput with each additional cell. Think of them as independent blockchains that have their own hash tables that never synchronize. Think of two companies, say GE and GM. Imagine they were to store their customer transaction improvement in two different cells. Would GE ever need awareness of GM's customer data? That's the big idea. It means that we can stream both GE and GM data in parallel to different cells with completely different hash tables. Each cell supports more than 1000 TPS, and so two cells result in 2000 TPS. Do you get the idea, right? So Sparkstar is trying to combine these two basic components together and increase the TPS, that is the transaction per second, to about 2000 of it in a second. So there won't be any need for one company to need awareness from the other company for us to take the transaction. Both companies are into it together, and there's a kind of partnership or cooperation between them. So this gets the works and the transaction gets done faster in seconds. So what? Well, this means that the Sparkstar decentralized cloud is architected to support millions of customers and hence support mainstream blockchain adoption. It also means that the next Amazon can store its customers across cells and else being able to build their own application that can support tens of millions of transactions per second. That is the big idea. That is, with this decentralized cloud computing, even the Amazon that is well known can build his own blockchain, like a customer cells across the world, which will enable them to make tens of millions of transactions per second. And I'm so sure they might be able to buy up the idea also. So this is the white paper of Sparkstar platform. So this is the white paper of Sparkstar. The first one is saying, what is the Sparkstar platform? and the second one is saying what is the Sparkstar decentralized cloud. Although I would have loved to play this short YouTube video for you guys with the interview with the CEO of Sparkstar, that's Sajjad Daya. But then this video is quite long, but I would like to give you the description and I would like to give you the link in the description of this my YouTube video, so you guys can actually check that out also. The interview with the Sparkstar CEO Sajjad Daya and what the Sparkstar decentralized cloud is all about, to get to know more about this Sparkstar ICO review. Nevertheless, you can also download the white paper about Sparkstar here, which I will also be leaving the link in the description of the video below. So let's quickly get to the roadmap of Sparkstar. Then with this roadmap, you can get to know how Sparkstar is trying to take over the future. So actually from January 13th, Sparkstar platform testing completed. Then by July, signed partnership agreement with Limbiendium. That is actually all this happened during 2017. So let me just take it from 2014. So we quickly run through this roadmap together and see how far Sparkstar has gone. Development of Sparkstar platform begins 2014. Then by 2016, Sparkstar platform internal beta was released. Then in 2017, that was January 13th, Sparkstar platform testing completed. By July, they signed a partnership agreement with Limbiendium. If you could remember, in the first video, Limbiendium was one of the partner of Sparkstar, which I showed you. Then by August, they signed partnership agreement with ARM also. Then October, performance optimization completed. November, private beta program began. And this is the current year in which we are in now, 2018. So 2018 January, decentralized cloud architecture planning completed. By March, decentralized cloud internal beta release version 0.1. Then April, public launch of our fully functional enterprise grade platform. Then by May, the launch of Sparkstar Marketplace, 5 patent application to protect our technology and innovation. So there's actually a patent right behind Sparkstar. Then quarter 2 2018, public release of platform support for Arduino and ESP devices supporting codeless embedded application development. Then by quarter 3 2018, in accordance with our ARM partnership, public release of our platform from ARM devices. We expect to be one of the first certified ARM embedded IoT platform. Public release of our mobile app supporting sensory input, GPS, gyroscope, accelerometer, etc. for mobile phones. Then quarter 4 2018, public alpha release of Sparkstar decentralized cloud. Public release of full-scale support to build AI-powered apps beyond just computer version. And 2019, which will be next year, integration of Neo, Cardano, Stellar, and other leading networks to facilitate payment transaction. Launch of codeless data warehousing and analytics platform for enterprise customer. So, however, these are the journey so far with Sparkstar Sparkstar, and these are also the stuff they intend to do in future. You can check it out and see how these guys are planning to run their program. So, however, I would like to end this video here and round up about Sparkstar ICO in this final edition which I'll be doing. Today, I'm going to be talking about the token distribution, the token details fully, and I will introduce you guys to this team behind the Sparkstar ICO. So then, I hope to see you in the next video. Have a nice time.